Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jennifer here. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning my Cricut mat with you guys. I came across a video where you can just use simple dish soap and sponge to basically clean the mat and dry it out and it will become sticky again. I personally haven't tried it. This will be my first time and I'm hoping that it will work so I don't have to purchase a new one. So let's get right into this video. Clean it up. There's enough water in there. See if I got everything. Looks pretty clean. Okay, cleaned it all. I scrubbed it down as much as I could. Wash off the soap.
And I follow the signs. You looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right choice. Hoping that you like. How do you feeling me from across the room? I got a feeling.
There we go. Now I'm gonna dry it. You just go ahead and feel it and see what it feels like. It's definitely not sticky anymore. Definitely is more smooth than before. There's some areas in which it's still a little sticky, but it's not sticky really to the length that it was earlier. I am going to just speed up the process of drying with my hair dryer and see if the mat becomes sticky again. All right, let's go. Before I take it upstairs and dry it with my hair dryer, I'm gonna see if I can just kind of tap dry it with the tap, 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 and see if it will dry a little bit. All right. I'm feeling it a little bit. It's a little more stickier than earlier, for sure. After I tapped it dry, I can definitely feel a little more stickiness to the mat. I don't know if you can hear it. All right, let's see if it changes after I dry it with my hair dryer.
mile high when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
So I think it's actually dry now. Oh my goodness, it's like more stickier than before. Oh my gosh, like that simple clean like made the mat sticky. It's amazing. I don't know if you guys can hear this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a cover on it before it gets like debris on it. But I mean, that's amazing, simple hack to get your mat sticky again. Wow, that is like a simple, amazing hack that you can do to make your mat sticky again. I really am curious of what it is within that process that makes that happen. I'd be very interested to know. If you guys know the answer to that, please comment down in the description box below. But I am very fascinated that that's all it took. All you have to do is clean it with just soap and water that you have available at home. Anyways, that wraps up this video. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my next project. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.